Then, continue guys. Ito ay gift. Nira ko na. Ni Nobi. Thank you so much. Oh, wow! Wow! May pang uniform na sa aking chorba. Thank you so much, Nobili. And thank you so much, Sheila. Alam nilang wala akong jacket kasi sinusuot ko pa rin si Delivero, si Alubero. And the boots. Thank you so much. I love you, Day. Susuotin ko yan sa New Year. Alam nyo na ang costume ko. So, thanks for Max for our couple shirts. O, diba? May sponsor kami, syempre. And thank you, Jason. Syempre, shout out natin ating business. Thank you for my bestie, Jason, for my gifts. And thank you, New Era. Oh, see? Yan talaga kapag mga blessed ka. Pati si New Era. Oh, simple things but makes you happy. Thanks, New Era. New Era. And thank you. Saan pa yung mga sponsor natin? Yes, thank you to Moher Hearts. Moher Arts. Every year, meron akong natatanggap sa kanila kasi nagiging model ako every year ng mug. So, whether I like it or not, I'm the model of Moher Hearts. So, thank you so much, Moher Hearts. Love, love, love. Businesswoman. Flashcard. Okay, thank you kay Lord. Alam niya talagang may business akong gold. Guys. Thank you to Malabar, Jewels, GND Jewels, Karat World, Pais, and everything. May pag-gold tayo. Siyempre, gift ni God from JCTD Dubai Family. Yan po yung gift nila na naka-red. So, one for me, one for Patricia. At ito po yung laman. Excited po akong i-open. Kasi gusto ko na gold. At mga bundle of chocolates and everything. Thank you so much. I love you. And may isa pa tayong gifts na i-open.